and welcome back to our second installment of the Subject-Verb Agreement video series. I'm Miss Jessie, and before we begin, don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons below to keep following me. We learned last time that either or and neither nor take a singular verb when they join two singular subjects, like so. Either a movie or a video game is fine for a fun night in. When the nouns joined by either or and neither nor aren't both singular, however, the rule changes. Rule number 1. When the correlative conjunctions are used to combine two plural nouns, use a plural verb. For example, either the girls or the boys are going to the amusement park. In other words, either the girls are going to the amusement park or the boys are going to the amusement park. Either way, several kids are going to the amusement park. In a like manner, neither the girls nor the boys are going to the amusement park because a storm is brewing. In this case, no kids are going to the amusement park. Aw, how sad. Now, let's look at rule number 2. When the correlative conjunctions are used to combine one plural and one singular noun, the verb agrees with the noun closest to it. For example, either Jack or his parents are getting the takeout from the restaurant. Here, the noun closest to the verb, are getting, is parents, which is plural. As such, we use the plural are. But look what happens when we switch it around. Neither Jack's parents nor Jack's grandpa is watching the movie. In this example, Jack's grandpa, one person, is the noun closest to the verb. So we use the singular is. And that's all there is to it, Excellians. Be sure to check back next time for more grammar fun and to listen to me. Have a great day.